Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to go through how to use Amazon gift card on Roblox. So if you want to use your Amazon gift card on Roblox, unfortunately you won't be able to use it directly on Roblox. Instead, what you can do, you can get a Roblox card or digital card from Amazon and then use that on Roblox. So how you do that, so just open up any your Amazon and then search for any Roblox gift card. So just choose anything. You can choose the one that is similar to your Amazon gift cards value. So just choose one, and then once you've chosen one, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply purchase this, hit on buy now, and then go to the payment page here. So when you get to the payment page here, scroll down and then hit on this gift card option. So you're going to use your gift card for this purchase. Add in your Amazon gift card, hit on continue, and then as long as you have sufficient funds on your gift card, so you'll be able to complete this purchase, and that's it. You'll have a Roblox card. So now you can easily use this Roblox card on Roblox website or the app simply by using the gift card, because you have your Roblox gift card with you. So that's how you can use gift card on Roblox, as there is no direct ways of using Amazon gift card on Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.